India has fought a series of wars with her neighboring countries since her independence. Today in this video, we are going to describe all the wars fought by India after partition in details. Indo-China military conflict of 2020. This is not a war, it is a conflict fought without any firearms. Conflict location: Sino-Indian border near the disputed Pangong Lake in Ladakh, the border between Sikkim and Tibet Autonomous Region. Result: in the end, India victor, China was pushed back from Pangong Lake in Ladakh. Concern and losses: India lost 20 brave hearts, China 40 plus soldiers killed. Indo-China military conflict of 1967. This is also not a war, it was a conflict. Conflict location at Chola Pass on the Sikkim-Tibet border a few kilometers north of Natula. Result: in the end, India was victor, China was pushed back from Sikkim. Consults and losses: India lost 88 brave hearts, China lost 340 soldiers. Indo-Pak War 1947. Indo-Pak War was fought between India and Pakistan over the princely state of Jammu and Kashmir from 1947 to 1948. The result of the war was inconclusive. However, neutral assessment agrees that India was victor of the war as it was able to successfully defend about two-thirds of the Kashmir, included Kashmir Valley, Jammu and Ladakh. The inconclusive results of the war still affects the geopolitics of both the countries. Territorial changes. United Nations ceasefire line of 1947 later became the line of control after the Simla Agreement of 1972. Pakistan controls roughly one-third of Kashmir, whereas India controls the rest of Kashmir Valley, Jammu and Ladakh. Consults and losses. India lost 1100 plus brave hearts. Pakistan lost 6000 plus soldiers. Kargil War of 1999. Kargil War, also known as Kargil conflict, was an armed conflict between India and Pakistan that took place between May and July 1999 in Kargil district of Kashmir and elsewhere along the line of control. The cause of the war was infiltration of Pakistan soldiers disguised as a Kashmiri militants into positions of the Indian side of the LOC. Result: decisive Indian victory. Concerns and losses: India lost 520 soldiers, Pakistan lost 1000 plus soldiers. Indo-Pak War 1965. 17-day war caused thousands of casualties on both sides and witnessed a large engagement of armored vehicles and large tank battles since World War II. India lost around 540 square kilometers of land, primarily in Rann of Kutch, while Pakistan lost around 1800 square kilometers. The hostility between the two countries ended after a United Nations mandatory ceasefire was declared. Both sides claimed victory. United Nations mandatory ceasefire. No primary border changes. Consults and losses: India lost 3000 plus soldiers, 150 plus tanks, 60 plus aircraft. Pakistan lost 3800 plus soldiers, 250 plus tanks, 20 plus aircraft. Indo-China War of 1962. Indo-China War was a war between China and India that occurs in 1962. A disputed Himalayan border was the main pretext of the war, but other issues plays a role. A series of violent border incidents occurred after 1957 Tibet uprising when India had granted asylum of the Dalai Lama. The war ended when China declared a ceasefire on 28 November 1962 and simultaneously announced its withdrawal, all claimed at line of actual control. Indo-China War was also noted for the non-deployment of naval or air force by either China or India. Result of the war: China victor. Territorial changes: China captured Aksai Chin. Casualty and losses: India lost 3000 plus brave hearts, China lost 700 plus soldiers. Indo-Pak War of 1971. During the war, India and Pakistan military simultaneously clashed on the eastern and western front. The war ended after the Eastern Front commander of the Pakistan military signed the Instrument of Surrender on 16 December 1971 in Dhaka, making a formation of East Pakistan as a new nation of Bangladesh. Result: decisive Indian victory. Territorial changes: Eastern Front, independence of East Pakistan as Bangladesh. Western Front, Indian force captured around 5,795 square miles of land in the west but released in 1972 Simla Agreement as a gesture of goodwill. Consults and losses: India lost 3,000 plus soldiers, 1 naval ship, 45 aircraft. Pakistan lost 9,000 plus soldiers, 90,000 plus soldiers was captured, 7 naval ships was destroyed, 75 aircraft was destroyed. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, share and put a comment.